Hello and good day to all of my awesome internet family, friends and following. On today's video, I am going to share with you how you can send your Tron from your Tron wallet to any of all of your other wallets that you have created. It's going to be very simple, a quite short video, and let me just get onto my computer and I am going to show you firsthand how simple it is to do it. So I am here on Tron Chain and I'm just going to my Tronlink wallet. So I will just click here, Tronlink, and I will click on the top. So this is going to show all of my different accounts that I have here set up already. And what I want to do now is I have on my Tron Chain main account I have a little over 30,000 Tron, and I want to send them here to my subcontract one. So that then I'm going to fund this account and I'm going to connect it with my Tron Chain main account so that I can start earning referral commissions through this subcontract. Don't worry, I will go into details on further videos. What's this strategy, this turbo strategy that is going to accelerate your earnings in a quite big way. And I'm just going to show you guys. So what do I need to do? I need to grab the Tron Chain subcontract one. I can click there. I'm going to copy this address. I will click here, so it was copied. I will go to the main. I am going to now send from my Tron Chain main account. I'm going to send it to my subcontract one. So what do I need to do? I need to click on send. Then I will. So this is going to be the account that is going to be transferred, so TLD. Okay, then I need to insert the receiving account in here. Okay, and then I am going to insert the transfer amount. So I want to leave around at least 100 Tron, or at least between 50 and 100 Tron in each account, because there are some types of fees. The fees are really small. I believe it's around 0.1 Tron for each transfer that you do. But for we to make sure that there are no issues on there, we want to leave at least around 100 Tron, which is not even $3 at the current rate of Tron. So I will insert the transfer amount. So I'm going to transfer around 30,100 Tron. Okay, transfer amount 30,100 Tron. Let me just go this way, this side. So I can add a transfer node. I can also add to address book this receiving account. I can, for instance, put a name. For instance, TRX chain sub 1. So it's going to be subcontract 1. I can save, and then I can very simply click on send, and you will see. So as you can see, the fee is 0.1 Tron. I will just click on send, and the amount is going to be sent very fast. Okay, so I'm going to click on the top, and as you can see, okay, my Tron Chain subcontract is credited with 30,000 Tron. That's not, then I'm going to use this to fund this subcontract connected with my Tron Chain main account. So As you can see how simple it is. I just left here 207 Tron, and then I will then also create another subcontract. It's going to be the subcontract 2 with also around 30,000 Tron, so that this subcontract 2 is going to feed my main contract, which is going to accelerate my earnings, and my income limit, my 310% income limit, is going to get there much faster. Instead of just 310 days, it might take a little over 100 days or so, which is really incredible because we can really start getting results in a quite short period of time. Now, from today, this is it, guys. Don't forget down below to give that like and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell, turn on your notifications so that you can receive my latest updates. And it's always a pleasure being here. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you very soon.